What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I'm Inko.
Hey everybody, Sophia here, ready to help you level up your English.
So today, we're tackling something everyone asks about.
Oh yeah? What's that?
How to actually get better at speaking English, like for real.
Ooh, this is a big one. People struggle with this so much.
They do. I get messages all the time. Inko, how do I improve my speaking?
Same. So what's the secret?
That's what we're breaking down today. No fluff, just real strategies that work.
I love it. Let's help people out.
But yo, before we dive in, quick favor.
If this helps you, hit that subscribe button.
Drop a like, share it with your friends. Let's grow this community.
Your support means everything.
All right, Sophia, let's start with the most important thing.
What's that?
You gotta speak every single day.
Every day?
Every day, even if it's just 5 minutes.
But Inko, people say I don't have time.
5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes.
That's fair. So what do they do in those 5 minutes?
Talk to yourself.
Wait, talk to myself?
Yeah, narrate what you're doing. Like you're making breakfast, say it out loud.
I'm cracking eggs. I'm adding salt. I'm cooking them.
Exactly. You're practicing speaking without needing another person.
That's actually smart. No pressure, no judgment.
And your brain is working in English. That's the key.
What if people feel weird talking to themselves?
Do it when you're alone, in the shower, driving, cooking. Nobody's watching.
Okay, I can do that. What's next?
Record yourself.
Oh no, I hate hearing my voice.
Everyone says that, but it's so helpful.
How?
Because you can hear your mistakes. You can hear where you struggle.
What should I record?
Anything. Tell a story about your day, answer a simple question.
Like, what did I do this weekend?
Perfect. Record yourself answering that for 1 minute.
Then what?
Listen back. Notice what sounds good, what sounds off, then try again.
So it's like being your own teacher?
Exactly. You're training yourself.
That makes sense. Okay, what else?
Stop translating in your head.
Huh?
Most people think in their language, then translate to English. That's slow.
Oh yeah, I do that sometimes.
You gotta think directly in English.
How do I do that?
Start small. When you see something, name it in English only.
Like, I see a cup, I just think cup, not translate it.
Yes, train your brain to skip the translation step.
That would make speaking faster.
Way faster and more natural.
Okay, I'm gonna try that. What about vocabulary?
Good question. Don't just memorize random words.
No, but I need more words.
You need the right words. Learn phrases, not single words.
What's the difference?
Instead of learning important, learn that's really important or it's important too.
Oh, so chunks I can actually use.
Exactly. Whole phrases you can drop into conversations.
That's way more practical.
And learn from real content. Watch shows, listen to podcasts.
Not just textbooks?
Textbooks are fine, but real content shows you how people actually talk.
Makes sense. What about pronunciation?
Ah, pronunciation. This is huge.
People stress about accents so much.
Yeah, but here's the thing. Your accent is fine.
Really?
Yeah. The goal isn't to sound like a native speaker. The goal is to be clear.
So people can understand me?
Exactly. Clear beats perfect every time.
That's such a relief to hear.
But you should still work on sounds that are hard for you.
How?
Shadow native speakers. Copy how they say things.
Like repeat after them?
Yeah. Play a sentence, pause, repeat it exactly how they said it.
Mimicking their rhythm and sounds?
Yes, the rhythm of English is super important.
What do you mean by rhythm?
English has a flow, a musicality. Some words are stressed, some aren't.
Give me an example.
I want to go to the store. The capitals are stressed.
Oh, not every word gets the same energy.
Exactly. That's what makes it sound natural.
So I should pay attention to that when I listen.
Yes, notice which words people emphasize.
Okay, rhythm and stress. Got it. What about confidence?
Oh man, confidence is everything.
But what if I'm scared to speak?
Everyone is at first, but here's the secret.
Tell me.
You gotta embrace mistakes.
Embrace them?
Yeah, mistakes mean you're trying. They're proof you're learning.
But people might judge me.
Most people won't. And if they do, that's their problem.
That's true.
Plus, making mistakes is the only way to improve.
So just go for it?
Just go for it. Start conversations even if you mess up.
What if I don't know a word?
Describe it. Use other words to explain what you mean.
Like, if I don't know refrigerator, I can say the cold box for food.
Perfect. That's communication skills right there.
Okay, I'm feeling more confident already.
That's the energy. Now, here's another big tip.
What's that?
Find speaking partners.
Other learners?
Yeah, or native speakers, anyone who wants to practice.
Where do I find them?
Language exchange apps, online communities, local meetups.
So I'm not practicing alone?
Right. Real conversations are different from talking to yourself.
How so?
You gotta think fast, respond to surprises, keep the flow going.
That sounds scary.
It is at first, but that's where the real growth happens.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes progress. You'll never be perfect, and that's okay.
I like that. Progress over perfection.
Facts. Now, you know what else helps?
What?
Set specific goals.
Like, I want to be fluent.
Nah, that's too vague. Be specific.
Give me an example.
This week, I'll have 3 conversations in English, or I'll learn 10 new phrases.
Oh, measurable goals.
Exactly. Then you can track your progress.
That makes it feel less overwhelming.
Way less. Break it into small steps.
What about using AI or apps?
Great tools. Use them.
Which ones?
Chat with AI to practice conversations. Use speech recognition to check pronunciation.
So technology can help?
Absolutely. But don't only rely on it.
Mix it with real conversations?
Exactly. AI is practice. Real people are the test.
That makes sense. What's the biggest mistake people make?
Not speaking enough. They study grammar, memorize words, but never actually speak.
They're preparing but not doing?
Yes, you gotta just start talking, even if you're not ready.
Jump in the deep end.
Exactly. You'll learn faster that way.
What about fluency? How long does it take?
Depends on how much you practice. But here's the thing.
What?
Fluency isn't a destination, it's a journey.
You're always improving?
Always. Even native speakers learn new words all the time.
So I shouldn't stress about being fluent?
Nah, just focus on communicating better each day.
That's actually really freeing.
Right? Takes the pressure off.
Okay, let's recap everything for people.
Good idea. Tip 1, speak every day, even just 5 minutes.
Tip 2, record yourself and listen back.
Tip 3, stop translating in your head. Think directly in English.
Tip 4, learn phrases, not random words.
Tip 5, shadow native speakers to improve pronunciation.
Tip 6, embrace mistakes. They're part of learning.
Tip 7, find speaking partners for real practice.
Tip 8, set specific, measurable goals.
Tip 9, use technology, but don't rely only on it.
And tip 10, just start. Don't wait until you're perfect.
That's a solid list right there.
If people do even half of these, they'll improve so much.
Facts. The key is consistency.
A little bit every day beats cramming once a week.
Exactly. Build the habit.
This has been so helpful, Inko.
Glad you think so. And yo, to everyone listening,
You can improve your speaking. It just takes practice.
don't be scared, don't wait, just start talking.
Your future self will thank you.
All right, before we go, challenge time.
Ooh, what's the challenge?
This week, speak English out loud for at least 5 minutes every day.
Talk to yourself, record yourself, call a friend. Just speak.
And drop a comment below. Tell us what you'll do to practice this week.
We want to hear your plan.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Hit that like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it.
Thanks for hanging with us today.
You got this. Keep practicing.
Peace out. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.